How to book homes and apartments on Agoda. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, look at the top and tap on the Homes and Apartments section. Enter your destination in the source bar and select your travel dates. Browse through the available listings and use filters like price, rating, amenities, and property type to find accommodations that match your preferences. Tap on a listing to view detailed information, including photos, description, amenities, house rules, cancellation policy, and guest reviews. Make sure to check all details carefully to ensure it suits your needs. Once you have chosen a property, tap on Choose My Room and then select the Book option to proceed. Next, enter the required details and select your preferred payment method to confirm your booking. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email with all booking details. You can also access your booked homes and apartments anytime from the My Trip section in the app. Now you know how to book homes and apartments on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.